In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email folder in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded, creating folders is one of the simplest ways to keep things organized and easy to find. We'll walk through how to make a new folder in Outlook on the web, and I'll share a few practical tips so your setup stays tidy as your email grows. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser. Once your mailbox loads, you'll see the main navigation panel on the left. That's where your standard sections live, like inbox, sent items, and importantly for this tutorial, folders. Now look down the left sidebar and scroll if needed until you see the folders area. Depending on your view, it might be collapsed or further down the list, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until folders is visible. This is the hub where you'll create and manage your custom folders. To add a new folder, hover over the Folders section and click the plus sign if it appears. If you don't see a plus, right-click the word Folders and choose Create New Folder from the menu. Both actions do the exact same thing. They prompt Outlook to add a new empty folder to your list, ready to be named and used. When the folder name field appears, type the name you want and press enter to save it. Try to pick a name that's short but specific, like Invoices, Project Alpha, or Travel. Consistent naming makes a big difference over time. If you expect multiple related folders, consider a simple convention, such as prefixing with a client or year so they sort the way you expect. If you prefer a more structured hierarchy, you can also create a subfolder under an existing folder. To do that, right-click the folder you want to nest under and select Create New Subfolder. This is perfect for grouping, for example, a 2026 folder with subfolders for Q1, Q2, and so on, or a clients folder with subfolders for each account. That's all there is to creating folders and subfolders in Outlook. Once your folders are in place, you can start placing messages where they belong so your inbox stays manageable. Drag and drop messages into your new folders anytime, and as your system matures, consider using rules to automate filing based on sender or subject. With these simple steps, you've set up a clean framework for organizing your email in Outlook. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined inbox.